guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. So today guys, we prepared fresh mackerel sashimi. It's time to eat guys. This is 1 and 4 kg guys. 1 and 4 kg guys. Eating, we have a wasabi sauce and soy sauce. Mmm! Wow! So yummy guys. We also have this. So yummy guys. It's a fresh one guys. My knife is no good to cut guys. My knife is no sharp na to. Mmm. So yummy guys. Big cut guys. Big cut mackerel. Fresh one. We throw the skin guys. The skin. My knife is no good guys. This is a very fresh one guys. Mmm. Yummy. Our sauce guys is wasabi and soy sauce with lime. Mmm, yummy. Mm. Skin guys. We also have mango here. Fresh mango. Mmm. Wow, sour. It's look like yellow, but it's sour. Guys. Not too sour. My knife is not sharpened one. When we cut it, oh my god. See, it's very hard guys to eat that skin on. Mmm. The skin is so yummy. Some of these have skin out, but when I cut it off, guys, mm, the meat is aligned already, guys. So I cut with skin. Sauce, guys. Mmm, yummy. Mm, really yummy. Yum, 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 the mackerel, guys. Oh my god. You know this one, this is 1 kg is 46. And this is almost, I paid for, I paid for this for 50, 50 something guys. Or expensive. Expensive guys. But I love this mackerel guys, you know why? The meat very tasty. The meat is very tasty. It seems like tuna, but this one is mackerel. Meat is tasty and oily, guys. Mmm. Lime. Love it. See the cut. Wow. Big cut. Again, guys, go to the market and find this tuna. But tuna, the big tuna, not a lot. They have a small tuna there, but I don't like it. Because I don't have a sharpie knife here, guys, in my house. It's very hard for me to cut it. I want a big one. Shandy, guys. Shandy. Wow. Love it. Very nice. I'm happy if the skin out, but knife na. Awareness is now sharp in one way. No. Very fresh from the market, guys. I go to the market early in the morning to bought this one. So they caught this type of fish. We have a stock, okay? I go early in the morning, guys. I put to the fridge first because it's early in the morning. I cannot do a video. Around 4:30 or 5 something like that in the morning, guys. Inside the Facebook market, guys. Wow, the sauce. You like the sauce? Little bit wasabi. Mm. Yummy. Mm. Lime. system. Mwah. My God. Sorry guys. The soy sauce. I splat the soy sauce. Mm. Yummy. This is the cut, guys. Mm. Let's see. This is the bone. So that's all for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoy watching my video. This one, guys, is I want to cook later. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.